Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a BMW M3 GTR. First, you'll need to understand the original car's unique specifications and its rarity. Next, selecting a suitable BMW E46 chassis is crucial for your project. This forms the foundation for your replica. Finally, planning your budget is essential, as costs can vary significantly. We'll cover key components and modifications to help you achieve an authentic look and feel. Moving on to the chassis and body, a wide-body kit is absolutely essential to capture the M3 GTR's iconic aggressive stance. You'll want to ensure proper fitment and quality. Reinforcing the chassis is also a critical step for enhanced rigidity, especially if you plan on track use. Don't forget to upgrade the suspension system with high-performance, track-focused components for superior handling. For the heart of your M3 GTR replica, an engine swap is often considered. Many builders opt for a powerful V8, such as the S62 from an E39 M5 or a reliable LS series engine, to mimic the original's power. Upgrading the braking system is paramount for safety and performance, ensuring you have ample stopping power. Additionally, installing a robust differential and a strong transmission is vital for efficient power delivery to the wheels. To complete your M3 GTR replica, focus on the exterior and interior details. Replicating the distinctive hood, large rear wing, and aggressive front bumper is key to achieving the authentic look. Inside, installing lightweight racing seats and a roll cage not only enhances the aesthetic, but also improves safety. Finally, adding authentic GTR badging and specific interior trim pieces will truly bring your build to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.